Well, welcome to day one's edition of Project Shitstain, as it will now be known, because I seem to have bought a right turd. Anyway, it's supposedly an early 90s RM250, but I have been staring at eBay for days and days and days, trying to find out what year it is, because these panels here and those panels there, they changed on every model, or every year model. And I can't find any bike that looks like those panels. So today I took the panels off and found that they're all marked up as RM Suzuki. So basically I got a Honda or a Honsuki. In other words, I've got a proper shit stain. So I'm going to have to make the best of a bad thing and start polishing this turd to see if we can get a shine on it. So the first thing I did was I cut off that piece of cack that was called a side stand, because it was not welded on one side and it was bending under the weight of the bike. I made a bracket up, which you can't see. There it is there, kind of thing, see it? I've made a bracket up and welded that on, and I've done it in a Husqvarna style. Oh, I've just been attacked by a miniature grasshopper. Grasshopper! Oh, he's off. So yeah, we've done it in a Husqvarna style where it sticks up in the air, but it does lock up there quite nicely, so it's not going to fall down. And there he is in his down position. So that's the first bit done on that one. And then tomorrow we're going to have some fun on this thing. The big toy. Haven't really had a blast on the big toy for a while now. I'm going to drop down into Chiang Mai at 5 o'clock in the morning to meet up with some guys for a 7 o'clock race around a circuit. Not a circuit, but it's a loop. A road circuit, basically. And I thought I'd plug my camera back on. See if we can get some live and direct point of view action. I used to do quite a few videos. There's some on my back vault somewhere of me doing hoonerisms. But I got pissed off because the last time I did one I set a world record speed down the Highway 109, and when I got home to watch the video, the bloody camera had snapped off. So that was the end of that. Anyway, I've got myself a couple more off eBay, and they're all rigged up and ready to roll. So, as soon as I can get some interweb to upload it all, I should be popping up a couple of videos of me being a naughty boy. Later then.